In question 2, for Article 2, it talks about how Japan is trying to cope with its shortage of labor. Now, the Japanese government has started focusing on relaxing requirements so that they can look into hiring more workers to help alleviate the shortage of labor. In question 2C, illustrate and explain how the relaxing of requirements for hiring foreigners will affect the equilibrium wage rate and employment. Now, in relaxing the requirements, this allows for a higher supply of labor. Therefore, when we draw the diagram, we will have wage rate on the y-axis and quantity of labor on the x-axis. The demand for labor is downward sloping, and the supply of labor is upward sloping. Therefore, as the Japanese government relaxes requirements, the supply of labor will increase. This means that the labor supply curve will shift to the right. Now, the original equilibrium wage rate will be at W1, and the equilibrium level of employment is at L1. With the labor supply shifting to the right, the new equilibrium shows that the wage rate has fallen, and the equilibrium level of employment or equilibrium quantity of labor has increased to L2. Hence, in our explanation, we will say that labor supply rises, equilibrium wage rate falls, and employment rises. Now, let's take a look at question 2D. Give two other methods of increasing labor supply that can be found in the article. If we look at the article, we see that the government is encouraging more female workers to join the workforce. That is one way of increasing the labor supply. And the other method is through extending the retirement age of workers. This will also help to increase the labor supply.